Alright guys, so here's a little piece of scrap metal, nothing too big on the magnet. We're gonna keep on going here. Get all right. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, right there too. There's some more stuff. What's going on there, Larry? Nothing. Oh. Ooh.
Damn turd.
Huh?
Man, a goddamn turd this time.
Yeah. Oh. What we got here, guys? Looks like another nail. Ooh. Might as well. Huh? What the? Holy smokes. Wow, guys. Such a... Ooh. There is some heavy stuff here. Goodness. Trying to pull it up. That's the next thing.
Tuesday.
What?
Yeah, she goes every Tuesday.
She's gonna take you on Tuesday. Well, she'll have my truck otherwise too.
I gotta go get my...
And he said it wouldn't be a good idea. Oh God. Oh God. Oh buddy. Come on in. Come on. Oh, you son of a gun. I had something.
That big.
What? I'll get it back. Yeah, I had something really heavy and it was moving. I was bringing it in. There it is again. Oop. Come on, click back on there, bud. Click back on. Come on. Here we go. Oop. There it is. Why? Is yours done for? Oh! Holy shnikes. Well, I have them things of washers too. We could always probably put another washer underneath in that bottom section. And we might be able to get it to stay. Uh-oh. Like I said, that gear is one best. That is a really nice find. Cannot believe you found that sucker. That is awesome, Larry. Had it. Alright guys, so had another railroad spike. Back out here again where I was. See if I can grab it. What you finding over there, Clay? There it is. Oop, 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 oop. Oh. It does, it keeps moving in. But I cannot. Huh? Holy nut. Another nail, guys. Right there. Holy shnikes. The hell, Clay?
I can't get the fucker off.
Huh?
I can't get the fucker off.
That didn't sound good. All right, guys, what else we got here? Some more scrap. Back out there. See what else we can get. Wow. There it is again. It's right there. I keep getting it to move, whatever it is. Oh, I've got an S hook. Toe hook. Toe hook. Very sweet. Yeah. Pretty cool looking. Set that over there in the pile. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. When is the 8th? Oh, buddy. No, my fingers are froze. Alright guys, so this looks like either a snowmobile chain or a motorcycle chain. What you got there, Clay? Holy cow. Whoa. That that looks like that would be to a horse setup maybe.
Yeah.
That's what that looks like.
And then this big guy.
And then you got this big old spring.
The thing is, I called it too because I'm like, I can feel this thing balancing across.
That's what? The second one now? Yeah.
Second one.
Second one. There's got to be something down there. Car maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Well, I remember you found that steering wheel, that old Chevy steering wheel down here.
Big.
What did you just pull up?
Got her spikes.
Them damn.
Got the dirt spike neither. Railroad spike.
We keep pulling up railroad spikes, railroad plates, you name it. We keep pulling them up.
Food with it?
No, I don't need to get spiked.
Well, you want some food?
No, I don't need no food. Do you need some food?
No, I already had some chicken.
Oh. Well, I'll be darned. Yeah, this train bridge, guys, has never let us down ever. Never has it let us down. We've been here numerous times during the summer on the Larry and I were on the boat. Clay and Jen, they were always on their kayaks out here, and we're still pulling stuff up. It's just
You're changing my rope.
no. All right, so now we got another darn cookie cutter. These damn cookie cutters. I have no idea what they're for. It looks like might be something to a gear, maybe.
A clutch plate or something.
Or a clutch plate or something.
Pretty sweet. I love this bridge, you guys. This bridge is so good.
All right, so Larry did pull this up, and I hope this SD card's working because yeah, otherwise I'm screwed.
Here, dude.
Okay, so Larry saw this laying in the river, and we couldn't pull it up. We couldn't get it, so Clay here from the Rusty Magnets threw his magnet on it, and this, it's some kind of, no, I think that's a wheel. No, it is a gear. It's a big old gear for something.
Yeah, that thing is heavy.
Holy.
That thing's pretty sweet.
Damn.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's going to conclude today's episode of bad fishing, or bad influence magnet fishing team here. Yeah. If you would, please like and subscribe to the video and give a thumbs up. From now on, stay tuned for more.